This video I'm going to download and install OBS Studio, which is free and open source broadcaster software for video recording and live streaming. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go up to open Chrome, and then I will type OBS project into the Omnibox and press enter. And after the results show up, I want to click on the first option with the title Open Broadcaster Software for obsproject.com, and then I will wait for the website to load. Then I want to go down and click on the Windows button, and it will start downloading the latest version of OBS Studio so I can install it. And to watch that progress, I will go up and click on the Downloads icon in Chrome, and then go down and click on Full Download History. Now from here I can watch the download progress, and when it's done, I will click on the little folder icon to open File Explorer to the installation file, then click the X to delete the download in Chrome. Then I will go up and close Chrome, and down to double click on the OBS Studio installer file to start the installation process. So I will click the Yes button when it asks if I want to allow the app to make changes to my device, and then click on the Next button 2 times before clicking the Install button to begin the installation. And after the setup is completed, I will click on Close and then Finish while leaving the Launch OBS Studio option checked so it will start the software. Now I will delete the installer and then go over to right-click on the Recycle Bin desktop icon to empty it, and then close File Explorer while I wait for OBS Studio to run for the first time. So when the software finally starts up, it will ask to specify what you want to use the program for, and you can optimize it for streaming, just recording, or only using the virtual camera. I will leave it on the default option to optimize for streaming with recording as secondary, and then go down and click the next button. And for the video settings, I will keep the default resolution of 1920 by 1080 and then click the next button again. Finally, the wizard will ask for my stream information, which it has presets for several popular services as well as a custom option, but I don't want to provide this, so I will just go down and click the cancel button. Now I will maximize the OBS Studio window by going up and double clicking on the header, and then I will go down to click on the settings button to quickly go through the options there. It has general settings, appearance settings, stream settings, output settings, audio settings, and video settings, which I'm going to change since it's set by default lower than I like. So I will click the output drop down and go from the 1280 by 720 resolution to the 1920 by 1080 resolution, and then go over and continue looking at the other settings for hotkeys, then the accessibility settings and advanced settings. And since I don't want to change any of the other settings, I will go down and click on the Apply button, and then over to click the OK button. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.